All right, so right now we just got to the upholstery shop for the E36 interior. Don't let the location fool you. My guy is nice. Hopefully he's here. I didn't even call him before we showed up, to be honest. Oh God, hold on, we gotta call. He's not answering. Almost came here for no reason. I see him, he's coming. It's my man. I've been using Fernando since 2013, 14? Yeah, a minute. He did the interior on my 944 on the Porsche. He did my interior on my Wrangler when I had my Wrangler. He did a couple of our customer cars. Mr. Fernando, how are you, brother? Good? Good, good, good.
They must be different color,
What do you mean?
like an orange color.
The color you sent me was the color, no?
What's orange? But in the picture you sent me like a red color.
Well, let me
Looks
see.
very different.
Let me see. You have it here?
But right now
The material that you bought from me, you used it on another
yeah,
customer?
but I got I can lost money.
I hear you,
Yeah.
but come on. Yeah, this is a complete, this looks like that BMW color.
Yeah, that's the exact color. If you want, I can make our kind another the same.
I want that red orange pumpkin color that we said the first time.
I have here another sample. He gave me more samples. Look, you can choose the color.
Fuck. We can't use that color that we saw inside the book,
Which one?
the pumpkin. So that material that we chose takes a month to come.
Yeah,
It's been a month since we chose it.
Yeah, very, very difficult. That's
Oh
store.
man.
Yeah,
And this material all comes what, in a day?
one day in the
Oh, I
past.
thought I was gonna come and see some
Yeah.
work done. Now we're choosing the color again a month later.
To make this one, no?
Nah. What are these, reds?
Yeah.
What picture? The one that you sent me? This is the color that you sent me in the picture?
Yeah. That's I sent the picture the last time.
That you said the material came? What do you think about this color, Tano?
Looks like the G80 orange, bro.
It does. It's the same color, right? Where's the store? They have other stuff inside, or this is all their stuff? I'm not crazy about any of these colors inside here. What about reds? These are two red. I need like a brown red. We can wait. I mean, you've had the interior for a month already.
You know, remember,
This one, pumpkin.
but remember in bigger it's gonna look more different.
But it's not gonna look like this. It's darker than this. Yeah, go do this one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
How long is that gonna take to come?
He told me 1 day. I know 1 week and a half.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, let's just do. I'm not even gonna waste my time. I'm not gonna go.
Yeah. They don't have.
Order the pumpkin.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. So.
Let's do that. As soon as that material comes in,
Yeah.
call me so I can come drop you off more money.
Yeah. Okay.
Cause I wanna just get it done.
Yeah. How is the car?
The car? I mean, it still got a lot of work done, but I wanna start putting the interior back together.
Yeah.
This is not the color here, right? No, this is the same orange. If we could have it by February 1st, I'm happy.
February. Yeah, I think I hope. Yeah.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
All right. So as soon as that material comes in, call me so I can drop you off more money.
Yeah. Okay.
All right.
No problem.
Thank you, Fernando.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year's, my brother. So on the customer's end, sometimes with shops that you deal with, shit don't always go the way you want. So pretty much in the beginning of December, we chose a color. I think he doesn't want to do that color to save his profit margin. As you guys can see, he's not a big shop. This is a guy who does it out of a small garage that he rents, but he does phenomenal work. Depending who you're working with, you gotta do a little bit of a give and take. I think he's trying to get me to go with a different color so he can make some more money. But the E36 is gonna be my new baby, so I'm very particular with how I want things done. So that color is close to what I wanted originally, but it's not it. So we're gonna order the pumpkin color. Hopefully he gets it within a week. Last time we spoke, he sent me a picture that it came in. I guess it didn't, I don't know. But I'm gonna rock with him for another month. I've been using this guy for a fucking decade. Let's see what he can pull through with, and hopefully he gets my interior back to me by February. I'm gonna put the guy's information if anybody needs some interior work. His number's gonna be somewhere down here, up here, whoever my camera guy wants to put it. But we actually are gonna take a ride by the upholstery shop, not the upholstery shop, the factory or wherever he gets his material from. He gave me the address. I'm gonna go there in person. Maybe I'll just put the order in for him just so we can speed up the process. Maybe choose another color. Maybe there's more options there at the warehouse. So let's take a ride. Let's go see what they got over there.
Thank you for calling Rainbow Leather. For customer service, please press 1. For sales, please press 2.
He did say they open up at 10 a.m.
No, he didn't. Oh, that's different. So we just got to College Point. We're gonna check out the spot that my upholstery guy uses, where he gets his stuff from. So let's see if they're open. He said 10 o'clock. It's 10:10, so let's check it out. Hello? Oh, what is it? Let's take you guys on a tour. No, I don't want to go too crazy up inside their business. Let's see what phone rings from the number that I call. Should we do this to the interior? Yeah. Flamingo. Fire. I'm gonna do this to the headliner. No phone ringing. Told me come back next year. The entire office is out. Is it in here?
No.
No. So everybody here in the office is out for the New Year's. My interior has been gone for 2 months. I'm losing my shit. I'd like to get this thing done, bro. But you know what? I feel like I might be rushing the interior, but maybe not, because the wide body doesn't get here until February. January, we're gonna start the roof. So I don't know. I just need to see motion, and I'm not seeing motion. And I feel like I have a lot of shit moving around. I got my headlights out. My tail lights actually came back. We're gonna see that in a few. The car's stripped, and everything is everywhere, but nothing's getting done. So that's why I feel like it's getting to me a little bit right now. But I don't know. Let's just keep it moving on to the next, and we'll figure it the fuck out. Fernando.
Yes, sir.
I went to the guys over here in College Point. Nobody's in the office until the end of the new year. So as soon as the new year comes around, please just order that material. And as long as we can have it by February, middle of February, I'm okay.
Yeah.
All right, thank you, brother. Enjoy your holidays. I'll talk to you soon, okay? I'm gonna call you after the new year, though.
Yeah, thank you.
Hopefully something gets done now. Cool thing about this interior is I got 2 racing front seats. So because the car's an E36 with a 1J swap and it's right-hand drive, what I want to do is keep the JDM aspect of the car along with the Euro aspect, even though the only thing Euro about it is the badge. On the interior, we got 2 racing seats for the front. I wanted to give it that JDM vibe, and we are stitching the interior to look like an F80 interior. So when you're looking at it, you're gonna think it's an F80 interior, but it's just an E36 interior. The door cards are gonna look like they're from an F80, the rear seats are gonna look like they're from an F80, and then the front seats are gonna be your regular style racing seat. I'm gonna show you guys so you guys have a better understanding of what I'm talking about, of what we're doing. We are doing a full extended leather interior, but we're on the way to the shop right now. So once we get over there, we'll hop into that and go from there. Oh, hey, I didn't see you there. Let me introduce you guys to our E36. So recently we picked up a 1995 right-hand drive E36. The cool thing about it, one, it's right-hand drive. My favorite part about it is the motor. Over here, we got a 1JZ, no shit. So it's the non-VVTi, meaning it's the twin turbo, it's the early model. I got a lot of shit going on with this car. We are leaving nothing untouched over here. I am doing a wide body. I am doing custom headlight, custom taillights, custom interior, custom one-of-one roof. Find me another E36 sedan, even a coupe, that you can tell me in person you've seen with a carbon fiber roof. I mean, I'll give you guys the whole sauce from right now what's going on with the car. I don't care. The interior you guys saw, we went out. We're still trying to find the right color. I think I'm gonna pull out the rear deck now that I'm looking at the car so we could get that color matched as well. The headlights, my boy Wolf is doing them from Visionary Shop. We're gonna give him a call in a few. The wide body, it's coming in around February. So right now the car's just sitting. The next actual physical work that we're gonna be doing to this car is gonna be, I think we have the appointment, the guy's coming in January 10th, so we can start the carbon fiber roof. We were gonna do it ourselves, but I found somebody who does this for a living. I don't do carbon fiber. We're gonna cut the roof out for him, he's gonna lay it in, and we're just gonna go from there. It's gonna be a sick project. The wide body that we're going with, it's about 70 millimeters in the rear. I think it's like 55 millimeters in the front. We're molding it in. It's not gonna be riveted. It's not gonna look like the 240. This is gonna be a clean build. Definitely something one of one. Let me show you actually something cool that we're gonna do here. So when I purchased the wide body kit from the 240, it came with the extensions for the front bumper, but because I'm not running a wide body bumper, I'm gonna take the wide body kit from the 240SX and mold it into the front bumper of the M3. I might have to build up, I might have to shave down, all depending where the fenders line up, but for the most part, is it this one, this one? It's one of these. So depending on how far out the body comes, I might have to either build the wide body out or maybe shave the wide body on the bumper. But this is gonna be a one-on-one kit. I don't wanna hear no Big Duck Club, no Pandoms, no LTW, LTOs, none of that shit. This is gonna be a 360 wide body kit. The entire interior right now is fully stripped out. I told you guys we're doing the extended leather on the bottom of the interior. Now I just realized that I never took this piece out, so I gotta take that out and send that out. But other than that, the rest of it's out. We still got the steering wheel from the E46. I couldn't let that go. And I'm still trying to figure out what I'm gonna do with the center console. I don't know if I'm gonna run an armless center console or not sure. But the interior is gutted. The entire interior is getting done. Door panels, seats. I'm redoing this carpet too, because at one point it looks like this carpet was beige, but here it looks gray and black, so it might have been sprayed at a point. So I just realized that too. Now we gotta redo the carpet also. And as you guys can see, the headliner is redone. I don't know. I don't know if I'm feeling it or not, I'll be honest. It's mint. Whoever did it did a great job. This is never gonna fall, that's for sure. But I think I might get it redone. And now that I'm in here, I'm actually realizing that these gotta get redone too. So I gotta take these out, send these out to get done. I'll have the guys come strip it out in a few. We also got custom taillights for the car. These taillights, I don't know, maybe I'll give them away in a raffle or just give them away to another E36 customer or somebody. You guys let me know what you guys want to do. I also have a steering wheel from this that I'm gonna give away also. But let's go inside. I'll show you guys the new taillights. They're not hooked up yet. Maybe we can hook them up, show you what they do. I haven't even played with them yet, so whatever we're gonna do right now is the actual unboxing. So let's go take a look.
Yo, what's up, buddy?
Yo, what it do, bro?
Nothing much, man. Just doing a little bit of last minute shopping over here.
I hear you.
But,
so for the headlights, you already ordered everything,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, I already ordered a lot of the things. I'm just waiting to basically put them together. But I have all the information and shit like that on my laptop, which I haven't even been there in a couple of days. I can shoot you a call and you can tell me exactly what you want.
Okay.
And then I can make it right on the spot.
Over or under 1,000?
Definitely under.
All right, just do it. No, I'm not even gonna do it. Cause that was my biggest concern, cause I pulled the car out last week and I got pulled over right away for no headlights.
You'll have them back in your hands by, I would say, mid-January, end of January.
All right, bet. Let's do it.
Bro?
All right, bro. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Bro. All right, bro. Of course.
All right, talk to you later. I was Wolf from the Visionary Shop. He's got my headlights for the E36. We are doing pretty simple. I bought OEM glass headlights. We are gonna do dual projector, laser etched, updated with the E46 angel eye style, because it is a bit thicker. I don't like the E36 ones. It's just like double-sided tape. If you guys saw my E46, my M3, my headlights, you'll know what I'm talking about with the angel eyes. Oh, I do want to show you guys the tail lights, so let's go take a look at those. No, unboxing. So here are the new taillights for the E36. They're still clear, but these are tinted compared to the other ones. You can see that they're all very bright white. We'll put them next to each other for comparison. Glass lens, not plastic. And the brand is, I couldn't even tell you. These were a gift. My dad bought these for me for Christmas. Emmett. These have different light sequences, different light shows. They do a bunch of different shit. I don't know. I seen that on Instagram. I sent them the link. He was like, yo, what do you want for Christmas? And I sent them this, and You know, ask and you shall receive. Maybe we'll pull in the car before the end of the day because I need these guys working so we can do stuff like this. The more you guys bring me your cars, the more fun stuff I can do, provide you guys with content. Also, shout out to our sponsors that don't help us with shit because nobody's sponsoring me yet. Actually, I'm about to pull this car in right now, do it myself. Where are the keys to the E36? I want to see these lights, I'm excited. I gotta wait 4 hours for these fucking guys. I know they don't watch the videos. Ah, what it do? I just picked this one up a month ago.
Is it M3?
It's a 95 M3.
This is a 1J?
1J.
Oh shit.
Huh?
This is original right-hand drive or was it converted?
Original.
Oh.
Car's from Thailand. Bro, the fucking car only has seven-digit VIN number.
Not even a fucking full bit.
7 digits.
Where did it come from?
Thailand.
Thailand? Yeah.
Bangkok. About to pull this shit out. Huh? It's in the container. In the front. What?
Is that the way I look when I drive?
Yeah.
The regular car?
Yeah. I do. These guys are fucking morons. They give me a bucket instead of putting the seat back.
Is it gonna be a drift car too?
Nah, hell no.
Huh? What is this, show car?
Show car. I mean, look, they were ready to make this thing a drift car. Fucking extended lower control arms.
That came with it already?
Yeah, he gave it to me with it.
You see?
Yanni's panicking right now. He's like, nah, don't do it.
You don't want it.
Yo, Z, give me the taillights.
Metal, bro.
Why don't we back it up into the front plate right here?
No, just give me the taillights. Got the taillights. Huh? No, I just want to see what they do. Did they turn on?
Yeah, oh, they are sequential. Nice.
Fire. I gotta download this app. Emmet app. Trying to figure out how to connect the fucking lights. Oh, right here, E36 tail light. Please verify the lights are turned on to the correct light ID provided. What is the correct light? Oh,
There you go, baby.
bang, look at the lights.
There you go, baby.
Rain, EQ, fire, literal, that's literal fire. Hearts,
What's gonna happen if I hit the brakes now?
full, I don't know, hit the brakes. Yeah, the inside works.
Inside.
Now, I'm excited to do this car. Before, I kind of didn't give a shit. You saw the interior is taking forever, the headlights are taking forever. We played with the taillights a little bit. Now, I'm excited again. Now, we're gonna get busy with this thing. I still gotta pull out that other interior piece though. I wouldn't even, well, maybe.
We have work to do on this car.
Can this go outside? Nothing, it needs a motor. It needs a motor, right? Outside.
You hit the turbo?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay, it's not going nowhere.
This thing is fun. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with this car. It's gonna be a burnout queen. So you saw the E36, you saw us play with the taillights, you followed us around today, got updates with the interior, got some updates with the headlight. It might be a little while till you guys see an update video with this, but every time we touch this car, I will be giving you guys an update video. It's just waiting on things to get here. As soon as I have all the parts, we can start putting this baby together. Thank you guys, like, comment, subscribe.